Welcome back to Glenn's Hot Rod Garage. Weeknight, Thursday night, I believe. Came out, did some work on the ugly street truck. Got the catalytic converter shield off, the old trans cross member, and pulled out the mock-up TH400 and took a look and seen where if we could run our wires in the trans tunnel and be all right with that, and it looks like it's going to work out just fine. Was wanting to get the other trans and bolt the cross member in, the new cross member tonight, but I didn't. We're out of time. We'll put it that way. Also discovered there was a radiator that came with the truck and it doesn't fit. So I have to order a new radiator for the ugly street truck, and that's going to take $100 out of our budget from Rock Auto. So money's tight. We're still going to make it happen, I think. I don't know. We're going to lose the garage. We'll catch you tomorrow. Peace. Here is the catalytic converter shield we took off, the old cross member, and the mock-up TH400. We're getting ready to put the TH350 that came out of the truck that I rebuilt back in. So it's Saturday afternoon. Had a bunch of running around to do, but that's where I came up with for running the harness through with that mounted under the seat. I'll get this tidied up, but for right now, we got the trans under there, and the harness ran out into the engine compartment. I got a birthday party to go to, so my time is short today. Maybe we'll get back out here tomorrow. We'll see, but struggle with getting the trans in here. I finally got it after probably my third attempt, and this is fun. I don't know if I got it quite yet though. I'm out of play in my jack. It's dark, I can't see. All kinds of fun stuff. bolts are 1.5 by 40 centimeters. You don't want to get cheap hardware store bolts because the heads are too big and you won't be able to wrench on them. They're like 17 millimeters. These ones that I have are grade 8 and they're 15 millimeter socket to install them. So something you want to keep in mind, I guess. Man, what a pain. I got a couple hours of struggling to get this in here. Back in the day, when I was a young buck, I could pick a trans up and put it on the jack by myself. Not so much anymore. Where I come from, we call this Struggle Street. I got a couple threads in on the bottom bolt. I'm gonna go get a couple threads in on the other side. You have to be careful while doing this, because if you tighten the trans case onto the motor, you will bust the bell housing. So if it's not, if the bolt's not turning freely, don't force it.
more extensions, boss. What sucks about not having no one around. Gotta get all your own tools and shit. Country mile on this side to work on this. Alright folks, we got this snugged up, so I'm going to put the trans cross member in and put an eyeball on the exhaust, and we'll get back to you in a little bit. So we got the trans cross member set in place. Trans is somewhat bolted up to the engine. That brings us to our next problem here. I like showing the good with the bad. And see how far that is away? I have to double check, but I think this is backwards. This is dished out. This is dished out towards the transmission, and I think if it was the opposite way, we might be good. So this is probably gonna have to come back out of here, and we'll go from there. That's gonna do it for today's video. We'll get back to you in a few.